Stakely Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Stakely Wallet app promises to make staking effortless, but does it truly live up to the hype? Let's dive into the pros and cons to find out whether it's worth your time. First, the pros. Stakely's biggest advantage is its simplicity. The app is built for users who want to earn passive income from crypto staking without getting lost in technical jargon. It supports a variety of proof-of-stake networks including Polkadot, Cosmos and Cardano. That means you can diversify your staking portfolio easily, all within one platform. Next is transparency. Stakely provides real-time data on validator performance, uptime, and rewards. You always know how your staking funds are performing, which builds a level of trust most platforms overlook. Another standout feature is non-custodial staking. This means your crypto stays in your wallet, while you delegate to validators. Stakely never takes direct control of your assets. That's a huge plus for users who value security and autonomy. Now for the cons. While Stakely excels at usability, it lacks advanced features that power users might want, like custom validator selection tools or auto-compounding options for every coin. Also, the mobile experience is still catching up. Although it's intuitive, some users report slower performance compared to web access. And finally, network coverage. While expanding doesn't yet include every major staking project, so you might not find your favorite token listed. In summary, the Stakely Wallet app offers a secure and transparent way to earn staking rewards without giving up control of your assets. The surprising truth? It's not trying to be flashy, it's designed to be reliable. For everyday stakers who want simplicity and peace of mind, Stakely hits that balance perfectly.